Have you ever been in a situation where the woman is constantly texting you and she constantly needs your approval? She constantly wants to be with you, and for her, you're the prize. Well, if you've not been in that situation, in today's video, I'm going to teach you 3 ways how to make a woman chase you. Now, one thing you need to understand about the dating market is the buyer-seller dynamic. Now, think about it. When you go to buy a car, how are you? Oh, the car has some negatives, right? It has some negatives, but still, what's the best you can do for me? The salesman is doing the selling. Basically, instead of trying to sell yourself, you need to be the buyer. You need to ask her, why is she good enough for you? Now, the next thing is never seek anyone's validation. Understand, once you start seeking a person's validation, you automatically lose a lot of value because the person knows that this person is getting needy, this person is getting desperate, and that is when you start losing a lot of value. So never seek her validation. Now, the last thing I want to discuss is be a challenge for a woman. Don't give her so much validation, so many compliments so easily. Make her earn it. Make her earn those compliments, make her earn that respect.